Why do I act like that? And welcome to my beauty space. Okay, listen, the coffee is strong, as we know, all day long, and I am excited because we have a brand new subscription to unbox on the channel. Before we get into today's video, unboxing, review, first impression, all of that, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of our YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel each and every single month. To those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, thank you guys so much as well. And for those of you that keep showing up, chatting with me in the comments section, as well as sharing my videos over on Facebook, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of y'all. I just appreciate y'all. Bunches and bunches. So if you are new, my name is Rhonda and welcome to the channel. This is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we're gonna sit back, unbox today, but we are known to sometimes playing some makeup too. So if you've never heard of Talisa, this is now actually a subscription box, but it's not like just any kind of subscription. It is one that is like customized specifically to you and your likings. When they reached out, I was really excited by that because it's definitely a very personalized type of subscription. So when it comes to Talisa, they are actually, like I said, a customizable subscription box where you're going to receive at least minimum of 3 jewelry products. Now, really nice thing with them is you actually take a quiz and you get a stylist, a personal stylist. It is $20 to get everything customized, and you just literally let them know, like ring size, bracelet size. Do you like gold pieces? Do you like silver pieces? Do you want earrings? Like the whole kit and caboodle. And then you can decide if you want to get this monthly, quarterly, yearly, whatever it may be. But like I said, in the box, it is all literally customized to you. This is so nice. And this literally looks handwritten too. So you do get a personal stylist, which is part of the $20. It also includes shipping too. And it literally like breaks it down on the box. So if you're a little scatterbrained like your girl, that's okay. It's right here on the box. So I love that. So it lets you know that you have 7 days to try on and wear your jewelry, show it around, get the feel of it, decide if you like it or not, and then you choose what you want to keep, or if you want to keep all of them, awesome. If you want to just go ahead and return some of the items, say you get 3 items and you maybe only want to keep maybe 2 of the 3, you just go ahead, they send you a return label to ship back what you don't want. Go to your dashboard to check out your system. It will let you know what you were charged for. So you will be billed for the items that you do keep. The nice thing with that though is the $20 that you paid for your stylist and everything and the shipping, that actually goes towards your piece that you do decide to keep, which I really like that. We've seen things like this with clothing and everything, but I've never seen it with jewelry. And the nice thing with Talisa is when I say personalized, I don't just mean you choose if you like gold or silver or earrings or bracelets. It's literally customized. Like if you want to put your children's initials on there, their birthstones, anything like that, you can actually have that put in there on the pieces that, you know, they're picking out, which I thought was a really nice special touch. That is definitely not something that I've ever seen a subscription box offer. You are going to get a minimum of 3 pieces. You potentially could get more, but the pricing does start at $49 for the pieces and it goes up to like $149 and change. Okay, so that is such a nice personal touch. It's not just like chucked in the box. So it says, thank you for letting us style you, and it's got your personal stylist name on here as well. She's just letting us know that she hopes that she likes, or that we like the pieces, that they picked pieces that will match my style. Try them, let me know, or let the team know. And then there is like a QR code where you can give like your opinion and everything and how you feel like they did. And then we've got the pieces here on a card, and then of course I've got my return shipping label, which I can't show you guys because stranger danger. We're not strangers, we're friends here. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. I'm having a really good thyroid day, so if I'm a little over the top chitty chatty chat chats, well, hey, the thyroid is thyroiding today, so your girl's really happy. Here's the first box that we're gonna open up. Really nice. I am so excited over this. I am so flippin' excited over this. All right, so I am one of those moms that don't put my kids' names on things. Like, I'm from the South, all right? So I do love to have like initials and everything, but when it comes to like their names and personalization, like on their backpacks, and like lunch boxes, necklaces, all of that, it always scares me. But the cool thing is you could do your birthstone, or you can do their zodiac sign. So that's what I did. I did zodiac signs. How flippin' cool is that? Is that not adorable? So as you guys can tell, I like both white gold, silver, and gold jewelry, and this is adorable. It is in 18 karat gold, and then you can put on here if you want to keep it or return it. So I'm assuming that this paper probably goes back into the box. But this is so nice. I really like this chain link style necklace too, because it's going to be one of those necklaces that you could definitely stack if you wanted to. And nice thing too is you let them know the length that you're more comfortable with. And this one is nice because if you want it shorter, you can shorten it up. So just a little up close so you guys can see. Isn't that just adorable? Now, like I said, if you want to let them know of something different, you want to get your children's names on there, your pets' names, whatever it may be, you can definitely do that. That's the beauty of Talisa, as they literally are customizing and personalizing this box for you. Next in here, we have, it looks like it's going to be earrings. Oh, these are cute. All right, here's the other thing that I really enjoyed about their website is you don't actually have to only sign up for a subscription. If you want to just go shop on their website, you can do that. But they had a variety of different earrings, different necklaces, different bracelets, everything. For me, I have to have a straight post kind of earring because when I was a kid and had the piercings done, one of them, the girl went in on a slant. So there's like little huggies that kind of clasp together. I can't have those kind of earrings. And a lot of places only kind of offer those kind of things. And I'm like, that doesn't work for me. These are also 18 karat gold vermel. So you're not going to have to worry if you have sensitivity and everything. Look how cute those are. These are like the perfect everyday earrings, professional earrings. Like, these are so comfortable. I also can't do very heavy earrings whatsoever. So I really like that she picked out a lightweight kind of earring. Yeah, I don't even feel them. Oh, this is so nice. These are kind that I feel like I could sleep in them. They're so lightweight. I mean, and honestly, I feel like everybody back in my day always had heavy earrings on. I could not do that. I have like, my ears are so like sensitive. I love them. These are so nice, whether you work in the corporate world or even if you're working out. Like, these are not gonna hurt if I'm like jogging or running or anything. She did so good. Okay, the next item in here is the Zodiac bracelet. Oh, this is so cute. Once again, customized. I actually customized it with my Zodiac sign and my husband's. How adorable is that? I love that. So nice and dainty. Very nice, lightweight. It's the 18 karat gold vermel. And see, here's the thing. Like, Haley and I, when we were in Vegas, we were actually talking to a girl that did permanent jewelry. But I have commitment issues. Like, this girl can never get a tattoo because I seriously have commitment issues that bad that I know for a fact that if I were to do something like that, I would immediately regret it. That's who I am as a person. And even though it's like permanent jewelry, it can be removed. In my head, permanent forever, can't do it, won't do it. So this is like the look of the permanent jewelry, like the dainty, really nice jewelry, lightweight, without having to worry about it truly being permanent. I love that. I think that my stylist did amazing. Kyra, thank you so much. I love these. The necklaces, if you want it shorter, longer, what have you, that is available. Same with the bracelet. I think I put my wrist, I measured it, and I think I measured it at like a 6.5 or something. So I think she did perfect. Plus there are extenders on here if needed. The earrings have me so excited. I think these are just straight perfection as far as that goes. Now, once you get all of your pieces, you have 7 days to test them out, to wear compare them, to decide if you want to keep them. If you want to do the subscription monthly, you definitely can do that. If you don't want to, you can just jump into your account and say, okay, I'm ready for another box to be shipped out, and your stylist will go through your quiz and everything, and you can let them know what you're looking for, what have you. If you want it personalized, if you want it, you know, customized, or if you just need plain, what have you. That's the beauty of Talisa. So if you decide, you know what, I'm kind of interested in getting the subscription box, but I also want to see all the other jewelry they have available, you definitely need to check out Talisa's website. I'm going to have it linked and listed down below for you guys. Definitely go and check out their jewelry. This is very nice, good quality jewelry. I love it's trendy, it's cute, it's personable, it's customizable, like everything that you want when it comes to your jewelry. So this is the kind of box that I'm really excited about, because of the fact that if you have an event coming up, a vacation coming up, a trip, a business event, anything, you could just go into your account and let your stylist know your needs for $20. I know. And what doesn't work out for you, you could just ship right back. And what did work out for you, you take that $20. It's girl math, guys. Like, you take that $20, you put it towards whatever piece you pick, you keep. Okay, I'm all about that. So I will have everything linked and listed down below for you guys if you want to sign up. And more than anything, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Is this something that you could see yourself maybe gifting to yourself, say for Mother's Day or something? You're having a rough month. You know what? You deserve a Talisa box, right? That's the way my brain works, guys. I don't know about y'all, but my February was a little rough. So getting this box just brightened it right back up. So thank you to Talisa for sponsoring today's video and for curating this box for me. It is perfect. I cannot complain about one doggone thing. And all the gold pieces, I'm like, okay, next month maybe I'll choose silver. That's the beauty of this box. So anyways, definitely make sure to check my description box down below. Thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of today's video. Let's get the word out. Talisa has been around for a while as a website to shop at, a storefront and everything, but the subscription is new. And maybe if it's not for you, it could be for one of your friends over on your Facebook page. You don't know. So you should just go ahead, if you would, and post my video over there, and I would greatly appreciate it, because you know I freaking geek in my analytics section when I see that something has been posted. One of my videos, so thank you guys for that. Alright, I am hopping off. I'm a little all over the place, but what's new? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are, whatever time of day it is. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Check me out on my other channels, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls over there, and of course Hot Mess in the House, where I'm doing a little bit more vlogs over there, and Unconditional Hot Mess, where Haley and I have a podcast, TikTok and Instagram at HOTMESSMOMMA4. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!